Yo, I got this special little tidbit from Mark Chang, who runs Playforbeans. He wanted me to check this out. This is actually a limited edition run of the OX slider by Clown Orange. I wanted to give like a first impression, and then I wanted to kind of turn it around and compare, because I have an OX, and then I also have a soda, which is the square version of the OX. Now, the reason this is limited edition is this is actually the Zirc with Ultem plates, which is very, very interesting. In the past, I've had a slider that had Ultem plates, and it did not slide very well. Now, I will say that sometimes the Clown Orange plates themselves scratch a little bit, so I'm very curious to see how this one stacks up against the other ones. I'm sure it's gonna look amazing now. Look at that. I love their container. Ooh, this one's kind of like a bubble sticker. Got a Clown Orange. Little armband. Alright, here she be. Okay. Looks like it's got some like sweat. Whoa. I actually thought they would be polished. Wow. Oh man. Feels like there's a little bit of a stick on the sideway motion. God, it feels so weird. It's got a strange sound to it. Yeah. Hear that? Huh. Wow, I'm really curious to see if these plates are better than the regular, like, stainless steel plates. I'm gonna have to hammer it a little bit and play with it to see if they scratch up at all. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm going to review. Right off the bat, that one noise is strange. Is it because it's like textured? All right, well, I'll come back. Yo, I'm back, baby. Okay, these are all three of my Clown Orange sliders. I've got the soda, and then I've got two OXs. One with the regular slide plate, and one with the Ultem. So I wanted to show you guys a little compare and contrast. They operate really very, very close. I'll say this one feels a little bit weird. There's a springiness to it. This one doesn't have that. But this one feels a little bit harder to slide. Sticks a little bit more. This one has no stick at all. But you get like a plastic on plastic sound sometimes. But I will say This thing hasn't scratched at all. It has become like one of my everyday sliders. I really, really like it. This thing is just beautiful. But I will say that you kind of have to clean these plates. I believe they're stainless steel plates. This you don't. So let me show you guys what they look like here. I know Kyle takes these balls out a lot, but I like them. It's very well done, I have to say. I was not a fan of Ultem plates. Because I thought they stuck. I had a slider from 2R, I believe, and they were horrible. But this doesn't stick at all, and actually I think that this works way better than these. The one problem with the OX is that the plates aren't the greatest. They get scratched and then you have to clean them, but this, they don't scratch. They slide great. I have to say, bravo. I think this is a limited edition though. Mark from Playforbeans sent this to me to review, so I will say that it is beautiful, and definitely go get it. This is polished Zirc. Oh, it's beautiful. So I'll say that the Ultem plates is the answer for these sliders. So that's it. Really beautiful. Thank you guys for watching.